Good afternoon, sir. First of all, I want to welcome you for the Idea Lab, which has been conducted by AKGEC, Ghaziabad. And I just want to know about you first.
Good afternoon, ma'am. So first of all, I am thankful to Dr. Ajay Kumar, Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad, for making me the part of this team of Idea Lab training program. So myself, Professor Dr. Manjeet Bansal, working as professor in the Department of Civil Engineering and working as Dean Consultancy and Industry Linkage of Maharaja Ranjit Singh Punjab Technical University, Bathinda, a state government technical university, which is situated in Punjab in the Malwa region, Bathinda.
Sir, how many colleges are under your university?
In our university, we have 55 affiliated colleges and 4 constant colleges and 14 departments in the main university campus.
Okay. So, what do you feel about the since you have been selected for setup of Idea Lab in your university? What do you feel about it?
This Idea Lab is a very revolutionary initiative taken by All India Council for Technical Education, and I am feeling to be lucky to be associated with this new project. So this Idea Lab project will be a revolutionary step for the development of the innovation and a new creative ideas in the young minds of our country, India.
I just have one question that is since Punjab is an agricultural main, you can say a food factory of India. So such kind of things are not available in Punjab. It's not industry oriented. So what do you feel such kind of labs will help Punjab in future?
This type of Idea Lab will be a big boost for the state like Punjab because mainly our Punjab state is an agrarian state, but there are still a lot of industries based upon this agriculture and other products because this our Malwa region is also known as textile hub, so
Yeah.
cotton belt. So there are a number of cotton factories also. So our this basically nowadays the main problem is there is a huge gap between industry and academia.
Yeah.
Whatever the industry requires, our academic institutions are not able to produce those products. We are producing a large number of products, but that are not fit for
Fit
the
for
industry.
industry. Yes,
So
exactly.
a big demand for industry and a big production from our academy institutions, but there is a huge gap between. So with the help of this Idea Lab, we'll try to fill or cover that gap.
Uh, does Idea Lab will enhance the creativity amongst the students? What is your opinion about it?
Definitely, definitely, because our young Indian minds always have a great skills as far as analytical thinking is there, critical thinking is there. Ma'am, you might be knowing in other countries when our young brain drain goes, so a big companies in the other Western countries like Canada, US, and Australia, and other developed countries, most of the Indians are heading those companies.
Yeah,
So when they can do wonders in the other countries, so the only need of the hour is to give spark to those talent, and this Idea Lab will be a big boost for sparking or for the young minds, for the new creativity, for new idea, for new innovations.
exactly, sir. I really feel that our kids are going outside, and if that talent is being utilized by this country only, then India will do the wonders. I really believe in it. Last question is, sir, uh, this Idea Lab, since you have said it will bridge the gap between industry and academia, I have heard it that you have taken so many funds you have from the industry for setting up of Idea Lab. I just wanted to know how you approached them for, since it's very hard nut to crack to get money from the industry. So how did you approach them for the finance purpose?
That's very interesting question. Uh, industry is always ready to help the academic institutions until you have the commitment to meet their requirements. So in our Bathinda region, one of the main leading industries, Bathinda Chemical Limited. So my university team along with me approached them and convinced them to have a social cause behind it for the to serve the society young minds, and because this activity covers under social corporate social responsibility CSR, and we also convince them that any problem related to industry will take it as a project and we will solve this. So by convincing all these things, they after deliberation for 4 or 5 days they becomes ready, and this is the first lab throughout the India in Idea Lab form that industry is contributing more than contribution of All India Council for Technical Education.
That is a big thing, sir. Actually, it's a great achievement by you. Thank you very much, sir, for such a wonderful session, and have a good day ahead. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.